Hey guys, so this is take two. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another YouTube video. I think I said YouTube too many times. Yes, so I already recorded this intro. I didn't like it and I decided instead of having different videos and unboxing this and unboxing that, I decided to do a video how to set up a YouTube studio on a budget, because I did it on a budget. I cannot be spending thousands and thousands of dollars. Not yet. So I added Govee LED light, which worked with my Alexa. I got two Neewer LED lights. They're 5600K dimmable. They are very good and very bright. I also have a wireless microphone by Alvuxcom. Works pretty good. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification button so when I have new videos, you guys will get notified. So here it is, how to create a YouTube studio on a budget.
Watch where this ball goes. He's expecting it to move, and then in the last minute, it's a video.
Okay guys, sorry about this mess, but for the feet, this is what I did. I already marked them off. These are 16 inches each. This is what's gonna go on the bottom like this. Sorry, it's gonna look like this, feet. So these right here are the bottom. And then it's cracked a little bit there. It was one of my first ones, but the top ones are going to be about 10 inches. So 1 by 4 by 6 feet will be enough for one panel. So just do the math. If you're going to do 2 panels, you need two 1 by 4 by 6 and so on. And this is how it's looking so far. I did 3 panels. I'm gonna say this glue, doesn't stick that much. I could pull it off very easily. It does hang on. I'm gonna give it a try, see how it holds up. There's one already standing there. So basically I'm done with my YouTube studio. My budget YouTube studio. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of what I purchased to make my little section YouTube studio. I started off with 3 panels, installation boards, 2 inches. They were $20 at Home Depot and Lowe's. They both sell them for $20. I bought 3 panels. I bought about 8 yards of fabric from Joann Fabric. They were $35. I bought LEDs, Govee LEDs. I thought they were RGB IC. They ended up being RGBs. They were $25.99. I put them in the top of the panels. I have them set to blue now. Very awesome. They work with Alexa. They got the phone app and all that stuff. So I thought it was RGB IC. They were RGB. So I ordered another one RGB IC and it came out less expensive. It was $18, but it was some type of discount that I got for purchasing the other ones. So I ordered those and I added those to the bottom of my panels. I have some LEDs behind my computer desk, which I bought those a long time ago. They're like $5 at Walmart. For lights, I have Neewer 2-pack dimmable 5600K lights. They're LEDs. They came with some tripods. It's pretty good. They're pretty bright. I have it set on blue right now. It's late. We're recording late. I do have basically like a key light that I have up there. It's one of those metal lights. I will show you. Let me get up and I'm gonna show you what exactly it is. It looks ghetto, but hey, it works. So they're up here. It's one of these. I didn't pay for this. My brother-in-law actually gave it to me, and I got some wax paper on it that I got from another YouTuber. I just trying it out. I haven't really used it. It's for the diffusion. It's something to use for now. You know, those are the LED lights. That's one. It's on blue right now. And then I have the other one up there. There goes the LED lights in the top. They could change colors, a whole bunch of stuff. Then we got the ones at the bottom. They go all the way around. Those wires I gotta clamp up. I gotta buy some clips. And there goes my transmitter for the mic. You know. Oh, I also have, this is a tripod that I purchased a while ago. It's Sturdy Tiger. It's $12.95. It's not bad. This is not counting the software for editing your videos, the software for editing your thumbnails, which I use Adobe Photoshop. I use Cyberlink Power Director 18 for my video editing. I use an action camera that I bought at Walmart for like 40 bucks a couple years ago. I just use that as my third camera. It's not gonna be in this video. I use my Note 8. I have a Note 8. I use that for my second camera. My main recording, I used my Note 10 Plus. So this setup is not counting the prices of the phone and those cameras because I already had them and everybody has a phone. You know, so I would say it was around 350 bucks roughly that I spent for this whole setup. That's on a budget. You know, I already had the computer. I have a gaming computer. It's a lower end gaming computer. That's going to be the next update, you know, that I do. I'm already done basically with the design and all that stuff for the YouTube studio. I got these, I'm not sure you guys can see it, but I have these little frames that I bought at Walmart, $3.50 or something like that. Got those at Walmart. That one already had, you know, then I have the one on the top. So I bought 4 of them. They're like $3.50, something like that. You know, those are just little decorations that I added, but you don't need this. So I bought the panels because I set up my YouTube studio in the garage. I have no other room. I have a 3-bedroom and a house full of kids. So I have no room in the house whatsoever. So I set it up in the garage. That's why I had to buy the panels. So if you guys already have a room, that's $60 you don't have to spend. You know, the lights, you don't need the lights. I like the lights. I love LEDs. It's always been my thing. I was a DJ. I'm into those LEDs and flashes and all that kind of stuff. So just to start up your YouTube studio, you don't need any of that but a good microphone. Well, at least a lavalier microphone will work. They sell them for like $10. Like, I have another lavalier microphone that's like $10 sitting around. There's a Bauer. This one came with the wireless microphone that I bought. It's an Alvatscom. It's $56. It's worth it. Does the trick. It goes up to 150 feet or something like that, which I'm not going to be using. I'm not going to be walking away and doing 150 feet, whatever, you know. I doubt it. That's it. This is more of a hobby for me. It's not, I'm doing it to get paid or anything like that. I enjoy doing video, graphics, and all that jumba, bamba stuff. Yeah, so roughly you can start your own studio for about $300 if you need all this, if you need to do it in the garage. If you don't need to do it in the garage, you could take those $300 and buy yourself a $200 camera if you want an extra camera. But if you have some phones laying around and they record today, grab those phones and use those as your second and third phone. Just make sure that your main phone that you're using for recording, you're using a mic on it. Because it does suck when you're recording on the microphone that comes in the phone. You know, the internal microphone, it sucks. It does suck, you know. So as long as you got good lighting, which I'm working on it still, not 100%, you know, oriented in the lighting. I'm just learning all that stuff for the lighting part of it. I decided I was going to record all my videos in 1080 just because my third camera, that's the highest quality that it goes. So I want all my videos in sync. At least, you know, I don't want to record one higher than the other one and different resolution. So they're all going to be in 1080 until, you know, if I ever get a DSLR camera or something like that later down. My next thing on my list is to upgrade my computer. It's a good computer, but I need more RAM and stuff like that. So that's going to be that's next on my list. So yeah, this is basically how you build a YouTube studio on a budget. $350. You guys can do it, you know. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment. I will be posting videos every Sunday. That's gonna be my goal, for every Sunday to have a different video. Living the life with EV. People ask me what's EV. It's my first name initial and my middle initial. First initial and middle initial. That's living the life with EV. So subscribe.